Today is a special day. It's Maya's launch, and I just want to welcome you all and thank you all for being here and for sharing this special occasion with me. This little blonde-haired, blue-eyed girl stole my heart, and I'm hoping that we're still going to have a very long and happy journey together. And I hope you have an excellent, wonderful, amazing time today. I love you all lots. Can't speak louder. Yes. Coming out today, taking the time to come spend a special time with you. Nicole knows I get emotional. This book has been a long journey. It hasn't been an easy one every single day. I've had some hiccups, ups and downs, and a lot of effort, love, passion, joy, tears to get this girl out. But this girl with the blonde hair and the blue eyes has stolen my heart, and hopefully we're still going to have a long and happy journey together, and I'm glad that you are all here to share that with me. And whoever's buying the book, I hope you enjoy it. It's got some stories in it as well. It's not just a fairy tale. So yeah, just enjoy the day, have fun, have a nice meal. We'll be serving at 12:30, and mingle, enjoy. That's it from me.
Well done.
And give yourself a hand of applause for being coming out today. Cheers. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi Sam. Hello. Do you have a message for Jen?
Thank you very much for inviting us, and we're very, very proud of you. And yeah, we love you very, very much. Hello. Hello. Nee, vandaag.
Ai, klapantjies. Oh, there we go.
Love you. Love you.
Do you have a message for Jen?
Yes. Congratulations on your book, Jen. Much success, and I hope there's many more for you. Well done.
Jenny, I've always been proud of you, and I can't believe, your ability to carry on writing, and it's I'm sure it's your passion, but it's great. I hope it gives you lots of happiness and success with this book. Cheers to you.
Go. What was I saying? No. Just congratulations. It's amazing. Keep going. And yeah, it's just wonderful. And we are really proud of you. At least we've got one writer in the family.
Ja, 3, 2, 1, go.
Dankie dat ons kon kom, het is baie lekker. En sterkte met die volgende boek. En mag jy nog baie skryf.
Hey Jenny, thank you very much for the invite and wishing you all the success on your book.
Jenny, you've gone through this and you've gone through ups and downs. Yes, it was difficult. Yes, at one stage you had sleepless nights, but because you believed in your mission, and today I'm saying Celestia, mission accomplished, and well done. I am really proud of you. Thank you, Jenny.
Jane gaan sype wyntjie en pomp soos haas.
Jenny, well done. Gee whiz, with all the hard work that you have to put in at your job, I think it's amazing that you can really, all the time, do such a wonderful thing and do a book for us. And I'm sure the children are really going to love it. Well done, Jenny.
Oh, Jen, congratulations. It's really absolutely fabulous. We hope we're going to see many more of these beautiful little books out of your pen. And with the lady that illustrated it, let's keep her on. She's the star.
Hope she gets her bookshelf sold. Lots of customers buying it. And I wish her all the luck the next week.
Thanks, Ed.
Hello! I am so excited to be here for Jen's book, and very excited, and I think I've already got the affirmations one, by the way. So, yeah, and she's brilliant at writing. She's very, very talented, creative, works very, very hard, morning, noon and night. But I tell you what, this Jenny's going to go very far. I think there's going to be a follow-up on this little Maya. And I don't know, I didn't quite hear the conversation, when she was talking, because it was quite loud for the kids back. But I just wanted to know what the connection was with the little girl. Did she meet a little girl or what? But I just find that fabulous, fascinating, and I absolutely love what she's done. And I'm so excited to be here today to support her. Shot, thank you.
Hi Jenny, thanks for inviting me to be here for the launch of your absolutely gorgeous book. All the luck in the world.
Hi liefste vriendin, baie dankie. Dit is 'n awesome dag en awesome mense, awesome kos. Dit is lekker om die dag met jou te spandeer en ons wens jou alle groot sukses toe met hierdie pragtige boek. Ek glo dit gaan 'n wenner wees.
Jy moet baie sukses hê met jou boek. Ek hoop jy verkoop tonne en tonne bokse vol, maar ek weet jy gaan daar kom. En ek kyk uit na die volgende boek.
May this be the first of many more to come. We love you and we're so proud of you. And we wish you all the success and all the love and everything of just beautiful moments and adventures ahead.
That's perfect.
George, nee? Jou hare gaan môre baie oranje wees, hoor.
really